FTSE chart review, 28th November, 10 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so off the bell this morning, a little bit of hindsight, and then we'll look at potential trade opportunities really quickly. Right, so before the bell, we're obviously into a 5-minute resistance zone. Okay, 5-minute resistance channel overnight, and then here's the bell here. Okay, so proper rejection as expected out of resistance. Okay, because this is a resistance channel confirmed by the 15 min. Okay, so obviously we know that contextualizing the bull and bear channels, MA bull and bear channels, within the time frames can give you extra confirmation and extra confidence. So you've got a confirmed 15-minute, I won't call it a channel yet, but 15 min confirmed resistance. A channel would be if it continues to carry on. But you've got 15 min confirmed resistance, 5 min resistance, and then off the bell, obviously looking at the 1 min chart, it's gone down and looked for support. Support being the 1 hour bull channel, and then the 4 hour 50. This is a 4 hour bull channel, and the first marker on this channel is there at 420, give or take a pip, and it's rejected off of the support channel almost to the pip this morning. So what am I looking for? Just quickly, I'm looking for retests of this low, so price moving in to the 1520 area, which essentially will be another test of support. 4 hour support, 1 hour support. Now the 200 on the 1 hour is sitting just a little bit lower at 415. So to me, 15 to 20 is the support area. And if I can see maybe divergences, 5 min retests, look, this will still be a divergent zone here. Certainly on the awesome, a retest of the low or a lower low could put in a divergent zone. So potential longs back off of support. I think we should always talk about risk, so people just don't blindly follow. Stop losses would go below the first support marker, or if you wanted to stay within structure and give it some more space, stop losses should go under the second support marker. If indeed you wanted to hold long, second support would be at 375, give or take a pip. Okay, so that's your support structure. All right, if this was being looked at more aggressively, the way you'd know if this is going to start to break down and price would start to look even deeper would be because the 1 hour chart would start to roll over and confirm as resistance, but this has not yet done that. This is still support. Okay, so you've got resistance on the 1, 5 and 15 min chart. 1 hour still support, 4 hour still support. Okay, so you could trade long for retests on potential divergent zones on the 5 min chart using the 1 min for entry. We can look at that another time, or you're welcome to pop on and ask me questions. Shorts are tests of resistance. Okay, so this is still quite flat. It's not, an aggressive channel, so you might want to look at testing. So as this moves down, price might come up and make lower highs, so you might want to test the resistance channels. Again, talking about risk, stop loss would go across the resistance markers. All right, if you weren't holding and building trades or averaging in or trimming off if they were wrong, right? So we should always talk about risk. So this would have been valid. Short out of the resistance, yeah. Stop loss above the resistance markers, looking for retests as TP back to support. Okay, so essentially longs off of the support channel, looking at all of the other considerations, keeping it tight, trading safely, or shorts out of the resistance channels, which at the moment are the 1, 5 and 15 min chart.